Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the incredible benefits of adding a simple bowl of vegetable soup to your daily routine. You might be surprised by how this humble dish can transform your health and lifestyle. So grab a seat and let's dive in. First, improved nutritional intake. One of the most significant benefits of eating vegetable soup daily is the consistent intake of essential nutrients. Each spoonful is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are crucial for your overall health. For example, soups made with leafy greens, carrots, and tomatoes are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, nutrients that support everything from immune function to heart health. Second, weight management. Trying to manage your weight? Vegetable soup is your new best friend. It's low in calories yet high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied longer. Studies show that starting your meal with a broth-based soup can reduce your overall calorie intake by up to 20%. That's a simple and delicious way to support your weight loss, fitness, or maintenance goals. Third, better digestion. The high fiber content in vegetable soup not only helps you feel full, but also supports your digestive health. Fiber is essential for regulating bowel movements and preventing issues like constipation and bloating. Over time, a diet rich in fiber can lead to a healthier, more efficient digestive system. Fourth, enhanced immunity. Regularly consuming vegetable soup can also give your immune system a much-needed boost. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, veggies like carrots and spinach help your body fight off common illnesses like colds and the flu. Fifth, increased hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for many bodily functions, including maintaining healthy skin and supporting your metabolism. The high water content in vegetable soup naturally contributes to better hydration, especially for those who find it hard to drink enough water throughout the day. Sixth, routine and simplicity. Incorporating veggie soup into your daily routine simplifies meal planning and reduces decision fatigue. It's an easy meal to prepare in bulk, saving you time and energy throughout the week. Plus, knowing you have a healthy option ready to go can make sticking to your nutritional goals that much easier. Seventh, last but not least, long-term health benefits. Over time, the benefits of eating vegetable soup daily can add up to a healthier, longer life. Research shows that diets rich in vegetables can lower the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. By making this simple change, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. So, whether you're looking to boost your nutrition, manage your weight, or simply enjoy a warm, comforting meal, veggie soup has got you covered. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and fact-checked information. See you next time.